how to make TikTok account from private to public. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can switch your TikTok account from private to public. And if you don't know how to make your TikTok account public, then this video is gonna be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. So to do it, I'm gonna be using TikTok website, and the process also will be pretty much same on TikTok app. So first open up any browser on your smartphone and then go over to tiktok.com and sign into your TikTok account. Once you're signed into your TikTok account, tap on this person icon at the bottom right. And in your TikTok profile, tap on this three dot icon right to your username. And then here tap on privacy below manage account. And here you can see I had actually made my TikTok account private. So to make your account public, here you have to just turn it up. So tap on here. And here you can see it says switch to public account. If you switch to a public account, anyone can watch your videos. User may be able to tweet, stage, or download your videos depending on what you have choose in the settings and privacy. You won't need to approve followers, and all pending follow requests will be automatically approved. So here as you're gonna make your account public, here tap on confirm. And that's it. As you can see, setting has been saved and it has been turned on. And this is how you can switch your TikTok account from private to public. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to delete your TikTok account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.